place in your face with them Fruity Pebbles Rice Crispy Treats. Yeah. Let's do this. Come on, let me show you how to make it. For your Fruity Pebbles Crispy Treats. You got 1 stick of unsalted butter. You have 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. You got 1 16-ounce bag of mini marshmallows. You got 1 11-ounce box of Fruity Pebbles cereal. Let's put this together. Yeah. All right, let's start with your butter. Drop your whole stick in there. And we're gonna get this melted. And you wanna do it all slow. You don't want your butter to burn. So let's just let this get melted. All right, as you can see, we have our butter melted. So let's take our marshmallows and just get them in there. And like I say, it's a slow process. We're gonna stir these into the butter and let them cook down and melt. Yeah. All right, let's check our butters and marshmallows. And it's doing just what we need to do. So you just stir it, keep the heat low, and allow it to start melting. Now we're almost completely melted. Let's go ahead and add our vanilla extract. Well, let's get the stirring. There we go. Yeah. And this vanilla extract really is going to help it kick out the flavor. All right, let's turn our heat off. We're gonna allow the heat to finish melting it. Just got a few left. Gonna get those out of there. All right, we all melted down. Let's get our cereal in here. And I like to use a little bit at a time. Make sure I have enough or not too much. There we go. Let's get them all in there. Wow. Let's just get everything mixed and blended. There we go. There it is. Alrighty. And that's how we got our Fruity Pebbles Crispy Treats. It's just that simple. Now we're gonna pan them up and we will be almost finished in a minute. All right, let's get our crispy treat, Fruity Pebbles Crispy Treat out of our pan. Let's do it like that. There we go. Look at that. Kids are going to love you for this. All right, and you don't want to pack it too tight because when the marshmallows harden, they'll be kind of hard, so you just want to barely even it out. So no packing it. Just off my hand. There we go. All right, now I use the spatula. I think that's better. There we go. Let's just make sure the top's all even. So when you cut it, you don't have lopsided pieces. Just like such. And we're going to let this sit for about 30 minutes. Room temperature, and we will come back and cut into this boy. But I'm telling you, I tasted it right here. It is delicious.